Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Just taking a look at the Euro Aussie at the moment. We've opened here beginning of the week, spiked up and down, sort of getting a little bit of bullish movement here. The thing about this, we've traded into support zone and rejecting off here at the moment. I'm just looking for an opportunity on the lower time frame, but we do have this trend on the daily that looks interesting. So we'll just go down through time frames and get a bit of a perspective. So we've got a bit of a head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders thing set up here. I'll just grab the head and shoulders. So we got, I don't know, we just pull it from here. So bullish head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so we've got this level through here. So just see how it trades around this, I guess, today and heading into the London Open later on tonight. We've got some high impact events related to the Aussie coming up in a couple of hours. So it'll be, I guess, worth waiting for that before you kind of jump into any trades. But from here, let's go down to, I want to show you something. Let's go out of here and I'm going to open up this. Got this 5-minute strategy. In fact, I'm just going to delete everything. I know where the weekly open. I'll come back and mark it up because I want to show you. I want to show you what we've got here. I tend to trade these. Breaks out. Trade it on the pullback. I think we got about a 10 out of 10 going back 10 of these signals. But yeah, these are really nice. Just basically jump in when it fires and I wait for the pullback, sort of retest of the range, previous range, kind of high, whatever. And you can set up buy orders all through here. Got to fill all the way through here long. Stop loss below. Alright, so I usually set up the stop loss below the cloud. Once I've got a fill, I'll pull my stop loss up mid-cloud and sort of trail the price, that kind of thing. There's a link below, guys. I've got a full playlist on this strategy in my YouTube channel, so have a look at that. Link is below the video. You can see that these are stacking up really well. I'm getting pretty serious about this 5-minute. It's a 5-minute chart. These signals are just brilliant, and we've got everything here in terms of levels and stop loss levels, etc. What I do for my stop loss, if I go to a short position, well, entry, what I'm doing here is I'm just looking at the breakout and I'm setting up sell orders where you see like this break of structure, right? Come back and mark up through here. And then I'll set up sell orders at that level. So market comes back and we get a fill, all right, as it trades back into here. And I'm going to set up my stop loss above this cloud. Look left, do the obvious. There's a couple of levels up here, so you want to keep an eye out for some obvious levels like that. And then, when it trades in your favor, just follow it with your stop loss. Just trail it all the way. I've gone back 10 of these and we've got a 100% win rate. Look at them. Which one would you not want? Okay, guys. With that, click the link below, join my Discord and have a look at the playlist and jump on board. Hope you have a great day. Euro Aussie. Well, yeah, I'm waiting for the next signal basically to give me, an opportunity to jump in here. Okay, with that, safe trading. See you in the next one.